back to Beautyistic. You know, finding a shampoo that can balance nourishment with volume is like striking gold in the beauty world. Today, I'm going to share my thoughts on a product that promises to do just that, the Davines OI Nourishing Shampoo. If you're looking for something that softens and restores chemically treated hair, this might just be your new go-to. The Davines OI Nourishing Shampoo is designed to work for all hair types, offering a silky smooth shine and a boost of volume. Its signature scent is something that stands out right away. Fresh, light, and not overpowering, which is a definite plus if you're sensitive to fragrances. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive in. The ingredients in this shampoo are quite impressive, with a focus on nourishing and repairing the hair. It features Ruku oil, which is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, helping to restore and protect the hair from damage. This makes it especially beneficial for those with chemically treated or heat-styled hair, like me. The shampoo is designed to cleanse gently while providing deep nourishment, and it's formulated to improve both the texture and overall health of your hair. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I tried this shampoo over a couple of weeks, incorporating it into my routine every other day. Right off the bat, I noticed that it lathered beautifully, which is always a great sign of a good formula. My hair felt clean, but not stripped. It didn't leave that dry, squeaky feeling some shampoos tend to create. The softness was instant, and the shine? Wow! My hair didn't look weighed down, but rather had this bouncy, silky smoothness to it. One of the things I really appreciated about this shampoo is that it didn't cause any buildup. Even after repeated use, my scalp felt fresh, and my hair didn't lose its volume. In fact, it actually looked fuller and healthier. This is important because some nourishing shampoos tend to make hair look flat or greasy, but not this one. It hits the perfect balance of hydration and lightness. In terms of texture, this shampoo is thick enough to feel luxurious, but not so heavy that it's difficult to rinse out. It has a creamy, rich feel that immediately softens the hair, and I didn't need a ton of product to get the desired result. The only downside I noticed is that it's on the pricier side, which might make some hesitant. If you're used to more affordable shampoos, this might seem like an investment, but the performance and the quality of ingredients certainly justify the price, in my opinion. If you're someone who frequently deals with dry or damaged hair, the benefits of this shampoo far outweigh the cost. Now, as for value for money, considering the high-quality ingredients and the luxurious feel of the product, I do think it's worth the splurge, especially if you have chemically treated hair or need a bit more love for your strands. But if you're on a budget, there are alternatives that can offer similar nourishing effects at a lower price point, like the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Extraordinary Oil Shampoo or the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo, both of which provide hydration and smoothness, though they don't quite have the same luxurious feel as Davines. As for build quality, this shampoo comes in a sleek, recyclable bottle, perfect for the eco-conscious. The packaging is sturdy, and the bottle dispenses the product easily without any mess, which is always a plus in my book. I haven't needed to interact with customer support, but based on the brand's reputation for high-quality products, I'd expect them to be helpful and responsive should you need any assistance. So, what's the final verdict? The Davines OI Nourishing Shampoo is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a product that will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and nourished without compromising on volume. It's especially great for chemically treated hair, and the performance does speak for itself. However, it's a bit of an investment. If you're okay with the price tag, it's definitely worth trying. If you've used this shampoo, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on it. And if you haven't, but you're curious, don't forget to check out the link in the description box to grab it for yourself. Before you go, if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.